Hey Onyx tribe, welcome back to my channel. It's Onyx here again, and today we're going to be talking about something super relatable: how I tackled my first programming challenge and came out even stronger. When I started coding, I was completely lost. I thought I needed to know everything right away, but I quickly learned that programming is a journey and not a sprint. So if you've ever been stuck or overwhelmed, this video is for you. When I wrote my first line of code, right, I was thrilled. I thought, this is it, I'm stepping into the tech world. But that excitement didn't last at all. The moment I hit run, the error messages kept pouring in, big, red, and terrifying. They weren't just error messages, they felt like the computer was mocking me. Guys, my first big challenge, loops. They seemed so simple in tutorials, but when I tried them on my own, it was chaos. Either my code broke completely, or I ended up in infinite loop that froze my laptop. It was frustrating, and I kept asking myself, am I really cut out for this? I remember spending hours googling errors, watching tutorials, and feeling I'd never figure it out. But over time, I realized that those moments of struggles weren't failures. They were part of the learning process. Fixing my bug and finally making my code work felt like small victories, and they kept me going. There were times I thought I'd completely ruined my laptop because of an error message. Guys, I remember staring at the screen, convinced I'd done something catastrophic. After panicking and frantically Googling, I discovered that it was just a simple syntax error. Now, I can laugh over those things, but at that moment, I felt like the world has ended. The turning point for me, guys, was when I realized that I didn't need to do too much. I didn't need to know everything to get started. Each small win, whether it was fixing my code, fixing a bug, or understanding a concept, boosted my confidence, and I started seeing errors as puzzles and no longer roadblocks. It wasn't about getting everything the first time, guys. It was about persistence and consistent and learning from my mistakes. Once I embraced that, programming became less intimidating and more exciting. Quick tips for you guys. Please take this one very seriously. 1. Break down problems. Focus on step by step rather than trying to solve the whole problem holistically. 2. Use quality resources. Google is fine, Google is great, but also explore tutorials, forums, and coding communities. Thirdly, ask for help. Don't struggle alone. Mentors and online communities can save you a whole lot of frustration. And lastly, celebrate small wins. No matter how small, please, every victory is progress. If you're struggling with coding, know this: every programmer started from somewhere. Those error messages and challenges, they are stepping stones to success. Keep pushing, you got this. And here's something exciting, guys. On our next video, I'll be sharing the mindset shifts that transformed my tech journey. We'll dive into topics like overcoming self-doubt, embracing failure, and avoiding burnout, and even staying inspired. It's all about the mental resilience you need in the tech space. Don't miss it. If you found this helpful, insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Onyx tribe for more stories and tips. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and let's make amazing things happen. Ciao, ciao, guys.